Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can mention someone in Instagram Reels. Now, for you to mention someone in Instagram Reels, firstly make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up Instagram. Now, after you've done that, go ahead and choose a reel on which you want to mention someone. And after you have chosen a reel like this, on the comment section, go ahead and click on the comment button first, like this. And then once the comment section opens up, go to the typing field and type in this @ symbol. And once you type in the username like this, it will search for it and you can mention that person and then send this mention button. And once you do that, a notification that you mentioned that person will be sent to them. I hope this video helped you to mention someone in Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.